All right, this problem asks us to find the work done by this field over this curve C. So work is going to be equal to the integral from A to B of F dot dr dt. So what we need to do is find F in terms of T, and we need to find dr dt, then take the dot product, and then integrate that from t equals 0 to t equals 1. All right, so first let's find F of t. Well, x is going to be t to the 9th, y is t to the 7th, z is t to the 5th. And if we plug those in up here, we get t to the 7th divided by t to the 5th. So that's t squared. And then x is t to the 9th divided by t to the 5th. That's going to be t to the 4th, j, plus t to the 9th divided by t to the 7th. That's t squared, k. All right, now dr dt. That's going to be, so the derivative of this, of our curve, r of t, is going to be 9t to the 8th I plus 7t to the 6th j plus 5t to the 4th k. All right, now we take the dot product of this, and then we can integrate that from 0 to 1. So this is going to be the integral from 0 to 1 of the dot product of this. So t squared times 9t to the 8th is going to be 9t to the 10th. And then and then t to the 4th times 7t to the 6th is going to be 7t to the 10th. And then t squared times 5t to the 4th is going to be 5t to the 6th. So this is going to be the integral from 0 to 1. We can combine those into 16t to the 10th and plus 5t to the 6th dt. All right, so this is, let me give myself some room here. And I'll move this up to the top, t to the 10th plus 5t to the 6th dt. All right. So now the integral of this is going to be t to the 11th divided by 11. So 16 over 11 t to the 11th plus t to the 7th, so 5 over 7 t to the 7th, and we're going to evaluate that from 0 to 1. If we plug in 1 there, we're going to just get 16 elevenths plus 5 sevenths. So that is going to be, well, 16 times 7, that's 42, 7, 11, 112. So this is 112 77ths. Plus 55 77ths. So this is going to be 167 77ths. And that's going to be the answer.